everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to crochet flower. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press a bell icon for latest uploaded videos notification. Let's start crocheting a flower. First we will make a magic loop or a magic ring. Pull the yarn and hold it. Then make a chain. After magic ring, crochet chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Each time we will work from this stitches, this backside one stitches. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Yarn over and then pull the yarn. Then in next stitch, insert the hook, yarn over and pull the yarn. Then in third stitch, insert the hook, yarn over and pull the yarn. Then through the center of the loop, we will make a last loop on the hook. Total 5 loops on the hook. We will pull in the group of 2. Pull the hook in the group of 2. Then in next step, chain 1. We are increasing the height for that chain 1 and work from these stitches again. Insert the hook and pull the yarn. Then in second stitch, insert the hook and pull the yarn. Then in third stitch, insert the hook and pull the yarn. Then in fourth stitch, insert the hook and pull the yarn. Then through the center of the loop, yarn over. We have 6 loops on the hook. Then pull the loops in group of 2. Again in next step we will increase the height. Chain 1. Then again the same step. Through these stitches we will make a loops on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then through the center. Then pull the hook from the loops, in group of 2. Then in next row or next step, we will make the same height. For that, in the last 2 loops, from last 2 loop, we will go from this stitch. We will not add a chain. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then through the center of the loop. Then pull the hook through the loops in group of 2. Then again through the last 2 loop stitch. We will start from this stitch, this one, one, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then through the center of the loop. Then pull the hook through loops in the group of 2. Then we will now decrease next 2 rows. Middle 3 are of same height. The next 2 rows we will just decrease. For that, in last 2 loops, into the last stitch, we will make a slip stitch. Then work from the next stitch, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then through the center of the loop. Then in group of 2, again we will decrease. From the last stitch, from this last stitch, we will slip stitch and work from the next second stitch, 1, 2 and 3, and then through the center of the loop. Then pull the hook through loops in group of 2. Then in last row, we will just make a slip stitches in each stitch. Insert the hook and make a slip stitch, 2 and 3. Then through the center of the loop, make a slip stitch. We will make total 3 petals. First one is now complete. You can pull that last end somewhat. For next petal, chain 3, repeat the same stitches which we have worked from the first petal. Chain 3, and work through this first 3 stitches. Insert the hook and pull the yarn. Then through the center of the loop, we have 5 loops on the hook. Then in group of 2, we will pull the yarn, work the same stitches and complete the 3 petals. This is how it looks after completing the flower. At last, make a chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now just cover the ends and make a middle lines with the help of hook or with the help of needle. Whichever color you want, you can make with any color, or you can make more petals flower. And this is how you have to make the middle lines to look a perfect flower. And if you really enjoy the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, share the video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.